Everybody, I'm here with today's weather video. Today we are going to be looking at the severe threat for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And yes, I don't normally rewatch my videos, but last night I did just to see if how crappy they were. But I realized that ever since I started using a different screen recorder, this screen recorder right here, I've noticed that my audio has been cutting out a lot, and so I'm trying a different mic today, and I'm trying my other mic today to see if this will help, or see if this will make it not cut out, or if it's a screen recorder. So please, if you're watching this, please leave a comment to let me know, because I don't want to rewatch my videos. It really makes my ears hurt. But yes, because first of all, my voice sucks. I have a horrible voice, but I can't do anything to help that. But so today we have a moderate or a marginal risk from North Dakota, or I circle it, Ohio, all the way from Ohio down to Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Illinois, Indiana, and all the way over to Missouri and Arkansas. You have a moderate risk in cities in that: Dallas, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Piano, Texas. You have a marginal risk today. And then we have a slight risk. We have a slight risk here. And then in this slight risk, we have Minnesota, most of Iowa, a lot of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio and Kentucky have some spots. Indianapolis, Kansas City, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas. You have a slight risk for severe weather today. And then we have a enhanced risk here in Texas and in parts of central Oklahoma, Oklahoma City, Norman, Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Texas, and Edmond, Oklahoma. You have an enhanced risk. I do think that there will be a better tornado threat for today. I think that it will be a bit more widespread severe weather. I think this will be more significant than last night, because I've been looking at the models, but also there's a 5% risk for tornadoes today in parts of eastern Missouri by St. Louis, through central Illinois and central and southern Indiana, also in Kentucky. And the 5% you have Indianapolis, St. Louis, Springfield, Decatur, Illinois, and Champaign, Illinois. And then in this 2% risk, you have Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Missouri, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota, and parts of extreme eastern South Dakota. So Columbus, Ohio, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Cincinnati, Ohio. You have a 2% risk for severe weather. And then today we have a hatched risk in 30% risk for severe or for damaging winds today, which is pretty much kind of goes with the slight risk, because it's the only thing that goes with enhanced risk. The only thing that makes it an enhanced risk is the wind down here. And so pretty much it's the same city as 30% or so. But then you have a 15%, and it's going to want to update real quick. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to wind. You can do 15% going from Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, up through Missouri, Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Iowa, Minnesota, and down. And the 5% you have Indianapolis, Kansas City, Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, and Wichita, Kansas. Alright, so now we're going to look at the hail threat. You can see today, 15% risk. It'll only make it a slight risk. But you have Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Missouri, Indiana, Illinois, and up to Minnesota and South Dakota and Iowa. Alright, so now let's look at it tomorrow. You can see this is the severe outlook for tomorrow. A large marginal risk going through Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, Louisiana, all of Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, and then Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri. Then we have a secondary marginal risk here in the Nebraska, Kansas, Wyoming, Colorado area. But here in Texas and Oklahoma, once again, we have a slight risk tomorrow towards Oklahoma City, Abilene, Norman, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. I think that I'm going to give that probably a 25% chance of getting upgraded to an enhanced risk. And yes, I'm sorry about my live stream last night, how it was kind of bad. I had some that popped up right after I stopped the part 1, so I never got to do another one because I was out till I wasn't able to do it. It was like 10 o'clock when I was free again. I wanted to go to sleep because I had to be up early. But yeah, so okay, so tomorrow we just it should work ever. Yeah, we have a 15% chance for severe weather, so that's a slight. And for day 3, we have just 2 marginal risks. One here in Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, New Mexico, and Texas, of course. And then we have one in Tennessee, all of Kentucky, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. Yeah, you have a marginal risk. So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you will have a good rest